Hey guys, it's at Locos. It's my friend at top 4 right here. Look at that guy. What a troll. Yeah, took 9th right here, Brett. This guy right here.
These are the exact decks that we actually used, is it not?
Did you use that deck there? Okay, so these are what they actually used when they top. So you can see how this works. As you see, my friend Witt here got this nice.
You see this? He has a marked sleeve. I'm just gonna try and scrub it off.
Nah, I can't even tell with that, so it doesn't matter.
I hit my finger, but I'll take it.
Screwed me.
Oh fuck!
Sweet.
Wow.
Seriously, I screwed him.
Yeah, I don't see. As you guys see, look at that. He is slow king. Yeah. It's badass.
Thank goodness they don't have a clock here, because I would be getting called time on every game.
Yeah. If you don't know what that means, guys, you'll see this deck play out pretty.
I'll go first.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Normal?
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna play the gears.
Okay. I said okay.
I know you said okay.
Well, I'm just wanting to verify that you understand that I said okay.
Now look at that GearGiant X.
Detach. Okay.
I wonder what I'm playing.
I wonder what you guys. If you don't know what's going on here, yeah.
Go ahead.
There it goes. Set 1 says go. Here we go. Yugioh.
I grade MSC.
Oh.
Chain.
All right, here we go. Yugioh.
Wind up magician.
Sure.
Na boobies. I have a shark. Is that cool?
Did he just said so. Fuck you.
Just don't tell me, just do it.
Do you have? I'm checking for Valor.
I have nothing.
Oh wow, so he shows us the hand. He shows us the hand. Wow, show us one more time.
I was
Let's see
gonna
that hand
call
again.
spell, but now I'm gonna call monster.
God
It's not a
damn.
monster effect.
What? That was just the
special summon
nastiest thing ever.
this.
Let's see that hand again. Show it off.
Turn that into
Jesus.
a 3. Special summon this.
Just go already.
Into
Just
this.
go already. Just go.
Papperloperative brings us back. This guy brings us
Well,
back.
do you have game or not?
I don't have game, I have control.
Grab Papa Lapidus.
I have a bunch of stuff that I'm not even doing. I'm just telling you.
Papperloperative. Wow.
Okay, Papa Lapidus. Here, put these back on there. I think Witt has game. As you guys can see,
You got the butterfly.
this is why my friend Witt wins. He is what we call nowadays a Jew. So yeah,
Wait a second.
Very, like,
modern day Jew right here.
Normally I go Shockmaster, right?
Okay.
Magician of Fate. Should have been in Legendary Collection 3. He used it though in the show.
So Brett, how do you feel right now?
I got wind up.
You got looped? Is he just like he just spammed the field real quick? How do you feel? Witt, how do you feel right now with your field?
It feels nice. It really does.
It feels great, guys. That's all he's got to say. So let's see here. Very nice, sir. I hear that's a pro play. So I'm smelling up a Shockmaster here possibly. If I'm getting that correctly, yeah. That's what I figured. Days like this make me say Yugioh. Good job.
You'd have to double knock to get over this. That's the best part.
No, Witt
I know.
doesn't even have to make shots.
luck in the cribbage
Can Witt go balls deep?
as she wobbles.
My sleeve is breaking.
I wish I had another white sleeve for you, bro. All my stuff's at home. Oh wow, Utopia. We're going big or going home over here.
Never show me your hand. I will cheat and win.
That's fine.
That's fine. United we stand.
That's
Wow.
game.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, that's
Why
game.
didn't you just show me that a hell of a lot earlier?
So we had to have fun. So you guys see, Witt won game 1. We're gonna go to game 2 here.
Hey, you could